Hi, welcome to day 9 of our 30 days of yoga. We're going to begin this practice lying down on our bellies. We won't need any props for this practice. Let's get started. To begin our practice lying down on our bellies, it might be comfortable to make a little pillow underneath your forehead, or maybe even to cross your arms to lay your forehead down on. Find what works the best in your body, what's comfortable to you. And start to notice how your body is feeling. Just observe how your body feels. Do you like laying down on your belly? Do you not like lying down on your belly? And start to focus on your breath. Start to take slow, steady breaths, even inhales and exhales. Lift your head and bring your arms out alongside your torso, bringing your head back down to the mat. Inhale, lift your head, shoulders, and arms, coming into a half locust. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift your head, shoulders, and arms, coming into a half locust. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift your head, shoulders, arms, and this time lift your legs up, coming into a full locust. Bring your feet out as wide as your mat. Feet come together. Sneaking a little bit of glute work in here. Bring your feet out. Feet come together. Feet out. Feet together. Feet out. Feet together. Feet out. Feet together. Last one. Feet out. Feet together and lower down to the mat. Nice work. Go ahead and make a little pillow underneath your forehead. And take a breath. Bring your arms out in front of you. Inhale, lift your head, shoulders, and arms so you're flying like Superman. And lower down, really nice. Place your hands underneath your shoulders and push yourself back into a child's pose. Go ahead and leave your knees together, heels together. Go ahead and let your spine round and soften. You can even bring your arms back behind you. And then bring your legs out long in front of you and go ahead and lie down on your back. Lift your legs straight up so it's like you're standing on the ceiling. Arms can come out to the sides to help you stabilize. Start to slowly lower your legs down about halfway towards the mat. Use your tummy muscles to lift yourself up to center. Slowly lower down and lift up. Slowly lower down. Lift up. Slowly lower down. Lift up. Last time. Slowly lower down and lift up. Really nice. Go ahead and hug your knees into your chest. Maybe going back and forth. And start to rock forwards and backwards. We're going to see if we can rock and roll our way all the way up to standing. And bring your hands together at heart center. Really nice. Bend both knees, reaching your arms up overhead, coming to upward chair pose. If your feet are apart, make sure that your knees are tracking out over the middle of your feet. Aim for your second toe. Breathe into it. And step your right leg back behind you. Lifting your arms up towards the sky, coming into a high lunge. Turn towards the right. Opening out into Warrior Two, facing the back of your mat. Right knee is stacked over your ankle. Arms are reaching out as far as you can in both directions. Take a moment and roll your shoulders back once. Feeling strong and steady. Turn your right palm up and reach your arm up overhead, letting your left arm come down your leg. Take your gaze up towards your right fingertips in a reverse warrior. And lifting back up into Warrior Two. Wave both hands down to frame your right foot, lifting your left heel. Reach your right arm up towards the sky for a twist. Right arm comes back down to the mat. Step your left foot in just slightly and reach both arms up towards the sky, high lunge. Step your left foot forward to meet your right, bringing your hands together at heart center. Really nice. Let's do the other side. Bend both knees, reaching your arms up towards the sky. Remembering to keep your knees tracking out over the middle of your feet. And while we're here in upward chair pose, see if you can shift your weight forward into your toes and back into your heels. Find the place that feels the most stable and steady. Step your left leg back behind you. Reach your arms up towards the sky. High lunge. Turn towards the left, opening out into Warrior Two. Hips are now open to the sides. Knees stacked over ankle. And your arms are reaching as far as they can in both directions. Roll your shoulders back once. Turn your left palm up and reach it up overhead, reversing your warrior, letting your right arm come down towards your right leg. Take your gaze up towards your left fingertips. Breathe into it. And lifting back up into Warrior Two, wave both hands down to frame your left foot. Lift your right heel. Reach your left arm up towards the sky for a twist. Left arm comes back down to the mat. Step your right foot in just slightly and reach both arms up towards the sky. Step your right foot forward to meet your left, bringing your hands together at heart center. Well done. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come to a flat back. Exhale, place both hands down on the mat. Step your feet back to downward facing dog. Come down onto your knees and start to walk your arms out long in front of you, coming into a puppy stretch. Take your left arm underneath your right, threading the needle, feeling into your shoulders. This is one of my favorite stretches that always feels so yummy. Left arm comes back to center. Right arm reaches underneath your left, threading the needle on the other side. Right hand comes back to center, and go ahead and make your way up to a seated position with your legs out long in front of you on the mat. We're going to come into a forward fold. Start to walk your hands forward, stopping wherever your body says to stop. Might be here, might be a little bit further, totally up to you. But listen to your body and Stop where your body is telling you to stop. Breathe into your forward fold. And then start to gently walk your hands and your torso back up into a seated position. Awesome. Go ahead and lie down on your back. Take your right foot, crossing it over your left knee. Interlace your fingers behind your left thigh and draw both legs in closer towards your torso for figure 4 stretch. If you want to deepen this stretch, you can use leverage from your right elbow to press against your right thigh. Breathe into it. And switch sides. Left foot crosses over right knee. Interlace your fingers behind your right thigh, drawing both legs in closer towards your torso. And if you want to deepen this stretch, you can use leverage from your left elbow to press against your left thigh. Breathe into it. Ahead and release both legs. Pick your bottom up, taking it over to the left side of your mat. Bring both knees all the way over to the right. Options, you can hold on to your legs, or you could bring your arms out into a T. Take your gaze over towards the left side, opposite your legs. Breathe into your twist. Make your way back to center. Pick your bottom up, taking it over towards the right side of your mat. Knees go all the way over to the left. Again, an option to hold on to your legs or to bring your arms out into a T. Take your gaze over towards the right side, opposite your legs, and breathe into your twist. Make your way back to center. Bring the soles of your feet together and your knees apart. Arms come out to the sides with your palms facing up towards the ceiling. Close your eyes. Soften your face. Let your shoulders and your arms relax. Let your torso and your hips feel heavy and sink into the mat. Let gravity do its work, gently pulling your knees down towards the mat as you let your body soften and relax. This is where I leave you today, my yoga friends. I will see you again tomorrow.